welcome back to my channel. My name is meribahMUA. Today is New Year's Eve, so I am getting ready to go out with my boyfriend for dinner. I wanted to do a really cool, pretty New Year's glam, so I made this look. As you can see, cut crease with some glitter, and I really like the way it turned out. So I'm just focusing on the eyes today, this tutorial, and you can, use the concepts that I use and add different colors if you don't like this color, but it's just like your basic cut crease. It's pretty easy to do. So if you want to see how I created this look, definitely keep on watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on social media at meribahMUA, but let's get started. So we are going to start out with the eyes because I don't feel like getting makeup all over my face, and I think it'll be quicker just to do my eyes first. And today I already did my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and I've prepped and primed my skin. Everything will be in the description box below for all the products that I've used. And today I am going to be using the Huda Beauty Textured Shadow Palette, the Rose Gold Edition. I know a lot of people don't like this palette, and a lot of people do. So, mixed reviews there. So for priming all over the lid for like my base color, I'm gonna use this shade Bay. And I'm taking this fluffy Spectrum brush, and we're gonna go ahead and start by priming all over the lid. Now we're doing a cut crease today, which I'm super excited for, also a little nervous. I haven't done one in a long time, so it should be interesting. So I'm gonna take this shade, this like maroon shade, it's called Bossy. I'm taking this really fine brush here, and I'm gonna go ahead and carve out where I want the crease to be. And we're just kind of following the natural line on my eye. So just to kind of intensify this line a little more, I'm using this flat brush here. And I'm going back in with that Bossy shade. I'm just gonna go in and add just a little more color. I kind of pointed brush, this is BH Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna like buff this color out on the top just to kind of smooth this out. Yeah, I'm gonna repeat the same thing on this eye. Next, in the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm gonna take this shade Antique Bronze, and I am going to buff that onto the line that I just created with this brush here. And then we're gonna take a blank blending brush, and this is a Morphe M441 brush, and we're gonna buff this out here. I'm gonna take this shade Shy from the Huda Beauty palette, and I am going to buff this on the top area here. And then with the blank blending brush again, I'm gonna buff this out. Now to cut the crease, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape here, and I'm gonna use a flat brush. And I'm just gonna apply this on the lid, and then just kind of carve out the crease. Okay, now we're going back in with that shade Bay, and we're gonna apply that all over here just to set the concealer that we just laid down. Now we're going back in with Bossy and that flat brush, and we're gonna do that line one more time. Taking the buffer brush one more time, we're gonna buff this just a smidge. So now in the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I'm taking the shimmery shade Primavera, and I'm going to apply that all over the lid here. Next, I'm taking the Stila Magnificent Metals in the shade Gold Goddess, and I'm going to apply that on the lid starting in the corner. Alright, so while this glitter kind of like dries down and sets in, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face. If you want to see how I do my face makeup, you can check out one of my older videos. But just for the sake of not taking a ton of time, I'm just going to go ahead and do my face off camera. And again, all the products will be listed below, and I'm using my favorite foundations, so make sure you check that out. I think that's one of the most common questions I get is what is the best foundation. I do have a video on my channel talking about my favorite foundations, but my favorite foundations I will be using in this video, and they are listed below. So I will be right back. Alright guys, we are back. As you can see, my face looks a lot more snatched, looking a little pale because of the lighting, but yeah, so this is what we got going on. And I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Razor Sharp Longwear Liquid Eyeliner, and I am just putting it just above the crease area, and just to kind of like do this really cool separation. Alright, so I think it looks like a lot more defined and shimmery and really pretty, very New Year's Eve-esque. Alright you guys, so I'm going to use the tattoo liner here, and I'm going to create a really nice wing to connect to the cut crease. And then I'm going to put on my fake eyelashes. So I'm going to do that off camera as well, just because it's going to take too long. So I'll be right back. Alright, so we have the lashes on and the eyeliner. I just did like a little wing. I'm going to go ahead and finish the eye look. I'm going to do some under eye here. And I am going to use this really pretty brown shade. It's called Cypress Umber. And I'm going to take like a dense under eye brush here, like this one. Actually, I'm going to go smaller. I'm going to use like this size. And I'm going to buff this underneath, and I'm just trying to open up my eye here. So now I'm going to take this transition shade. This is called Golden Ochre, and I'm gonna buff that underneath here with a thicker blending brush. I'm just gonna smoke this out. Perfect. And now I'm gonna put mascara on the bottom lashes really quick. All right, and for inner corner highlight, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Gleam, and we're taking this shade in the corner here, Crush Pearl. This is one of my favorite highlighting shades, and I'm going to pack that into the corner of my eye. So I really like where the highlight is, so I'm going to leave that. And then for lips, I'm using this Huda Beauty lip kit. My friend got me this for Christmas, so thank you, Liz. I'm going to use it today. And this kit's actually really cool. It comes with the contour lip pencil, the matte shade, and then the lip gloss on top. So, and then this shade range is, what is that? Muse, I think? Yeah, it's Muse. So we're gonna start with this pencil. then next, we're using the liquid lipstick. Okay, I'm gonna let the lip dry for a few minutes before I apply the lip gloss. So I will be right back. All right, so the lips are dry, so I'm gonna use this lip topper. I'm really excited about this. I think it's really pretty. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Good job, Huda. All right, so final step, you guys know, you gotta set your face so it doesn't melt off. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. All right, you guys, that completes the final look of this Glam New Year's Eve cut crease. I'm going out tonight, obviously, for New Year's Eve. Just gonna have dinner with my boyfriend and drink some wine, probably watch the ball drop in Times Square on TV later. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to a new year, and hopefully a lot of positive things will happen this year. I had a few really bad things happen to me in 2017, but I pushed through it. Everything has made me a stronger person, and it's made me realize what I really value in my life, my relationships and my friendships. So yeah, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on social media. I recently deleted my Facebook. Just feel like Facebook is just such a negative place, so I deleted it again. But everything else, I'm still active. You can follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, but I'm mostly on Twitter and Instagram. But yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I hope you have a good new year. Bye.